Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. So guys, in this video I will tell you that how you can unchange the icon of any folder in the case if you already changed the icon of any file or any folder. So it's very simple guys. You just have to right click on that folder. In my case it's a folder, so I will right click on that and then click on show more option and then go to properties. After that you have to tap on customize, then you have to tap on change icons, and then you will see a simple option of a folder here. You just have to tap on that, or you can select a restore default, then you have to apply it, or then okay. So guys, that's it. That's how you can restore the default icon of that folder. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Easy Fix Tech Tips. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.